To cancel a ZenBusiness subscription, follow these steps. Log into your account, visit ZenBusiness, go to the ZenBusiness website, sign in, click Login and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Access subscription details. Go to Account Settings, navigate to the account or subscription settings from your dashboard. Find subscription information. Locate the section where your current services and subscription details are listed. Request cancellation. Contact support. If cancellation options are not directly available online, use the Contact Us or Support option. Reach out via email, phone or chat support. Provide details. Clearly state your intention to cancel the subscription. Include necessary information such as your account number, email address, and the service you wish to cancel. Confirm cancellation. Receive confirmation. Ensure you get a confirmation email or notification from ZenBusiness acknowledging the cancellation. Verify cancellation. Check your account to confirm that the subscription has been cancelled and that no further charges will be applied. Check for refunds. Inquire about refunds. If applicable, ask about any refunds for unused services or fees.